Welcome to the future of manufacturing with Tebis MES Software. MES, or Manufacturing Execution System, is the key to optimizing your manufacturing operations. Whether you're in tool and die shops, mold builders, or complex process networks, Tebis MES Software is tailored to your needs. Tebis MES Software specializes in single-part manufacturing, ensuring efficient planning, transparent scheduling, and meticulous process quality. Plan and schedule your manufacturing operations with precision. Tebis MES Software optimizes capacity, maximizes throughput, and ensures efficient resource utilization. This proactive approach stands in contrast to the reactive methods most companies currently use, which are not ideal in today's fast-paced industry. Gain real-time visibility into project progress from order initiation to delivery. Tebis MES Software provides transparency at every step of the manufacturing process. Streamline engineering, manufacturing, and assembly processes with Tebis MES Software. With a flexible schedule, accommodate engineering changes and try out quality loops without jeopardizing deadlines of new production work. Evaluate performance, track milestones, and analyze budget versus actual costs in real time. Tebis MES Software empowers data-driven decision-making for optimal performance. Integrate Tebis MES Software with your existing ERP, HR, and machining cell systems. Tebis MES also integrates effortlessly with Tebis CAD, CAM, or other solution interfaces, managing all your data versioning to ensure it is always current and up-to-date. Customize reporting dashboards and interfaces for seamless integration. Transform your manufacturing operations with Tebis MES Software. Make data-driven decisions, maximize machine utilization, and ensure quality at every stage. Visit our website to learn more.